Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be playing this Among Us ripoff. Now, to join again, hold on. Okay, so I have no clue where I am. There's a little Mario skin. Okay, so now we're going to be playing this real Among Us ripoff. And I am on a crew. I'm not going to waste any money on this game because this is a ripoff. Just to let you guys know, I'm only going to make about like 3 videos of this. Then, bye. I'm going to delete it. So, this is the first game. I hope I don't get murdered. He is acting sus. Murder. I feel like if it's this guy. It has to be this guy. Oh, wow. There's literally a start voting at the bottom. How did I not realize that? No one? Oh, everyone skipped, I think. So I'm only gonna do about a round of this, cause yeah, it's horrible. Nobody was chosen as a killer. Oh, okay. Wait, but I voted. Hello? Okay, we're back in. Yeah. Yes, 10 out of 10 players. 3 killers. Strange. Face mask because it's quarantine. Even though they're literally in an astronaut suit. Oh, look, there I am. Oh. Just so you guys know, I'm literally choosing random stuff. Oh. I can change. Accessories. And become superhero. Wait, no, this is Mario. Oh. Again? No. Yes, I hope this is what I got. Yeah. That's why this is all free. You're a crew, okay. This is strange. Fuel. Now it's the same color. This shouldn't be hard, right? There you go, see? Easy. But I'd rather play the real Among Us. Yeah, I'll probably get a real Among Us someday. Not really though. I just got this thing called InShot. Now this is a Chinese Among Us ripoff. Now for some reason Among Us tends to rip off. Sorry, not Among Us. China tends to rip off a lot of games. I'm not so sure why. What I can say is that I got this strange tank. This is a Chinese game. Among Us is an indie game. Obtain disconnected. Come on, I just want to finish a video. You're a crew. This better go right. As you know, I already did that. Why do it again? This is basically Among Us, but not really. Nope. No. Emergency button's been pressed. I think it's this guy. Oh wait. Yes, here we go. Start voting. I'm gonna say it's this cowboy guy. Let's see. Oh, never mind. There's a lot of Mexican people who play this game. It's from China. Get the real Among Us. I'm only gonna make about 3 videos of these. But since this one is a video, I'm gonna make 2. Oh, okay. Hooray. No one completed a task. Yes, oh, what is this? Completed, hooray. Task. Wait, what? How many times could you push that? Once? Yes, I'm gonna start voting. I'm gonna say this guy. It says ×1, not I voted. So I'm gonna be playing real Among Us real soon. Hooray! Hooray! Thank you guys for watching. Please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss further content. And I'll see you. Be seeing you guys on next time. Bye.